finally made it to the donut bar here in beautiful downtown Las Vegas. I've been trying to get here for a while, and I never made it. So today I woke up kind of early, not really, and decided to pop down for a little snack to myself. And I got a mud pie. Ooh, check it out. Dun, dun, dun. Check it out. This is a mud pie. It was $3. This thing is huge. Like I said, my first time being here, and so a lot of folks come down here. It's pretty crowded in there right now, and I wanted to come down and try my luck at tasting one of these superstar donuts. This good. It's chewy, yeah? Not bad. Alright, here we go. Check this out. See how it pulls apart? It's a Sunday today, and they stay open until they sell out. So, you know, come down early, grab your food, and now let's try the mud pie part. Didn't get napping. So, it's actually just pretty good. Well, wait, check this out. See that? It looks very nice, doesn't it? Alright. Not bad. These guys have a very strong reputation, and based on this one item I have, it's understandable. It was a line. Lady says, "Hey, sir, if you want this donut, come on down." And so move to the front, order the mud pie, and here we are. It's actually a good place with your friends to come down and order some donuts and split them up. You know, give me a hunk, give me a hunk, give me a hunk. Do a fun time, you know, taste test of their products. Check it out. Delicious. I'll put a link below to the donut bar. I almost got two. Whoa. I have in my hand the last bite of this donut. If you're downtown, when you're in Vegas, check it out. When you're in Vegas, you want a good donut, if you're downtown hanging out, sampling the goods of Vegas, sampling the goods of downtown, come to the donut bar. You grab a donut, or two, or three, or a six-pack. Take them to your friends, eat them yourself. Well, eat them yourself. Take them to your friends. Or eat them yourself, have a good time. Alright, you guys, like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello, and I will say hello back. Take care, wherever you are. Have a good day. You know, I still look at the flip-out screens right there, and the cameras right there. Ah, well, I'll get better someday. Adieu.